In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test Microsoft Teams video background before a meeting. Sharing the right image or vibe during a Microsoft Teams meeting begins long before you actually say hello. A key part of that is choosing the perfect background to either add that professional sheen or maybe just to hide the clutter behind you. Lucky for you, testing and changing your video background in Microsoft Teams is quite straightforward, and in the next few minutes I will guide you step by step on how to do just that. First things first, navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. Once there, you will need to sign in using your account. This might seem like a no-brainer, but ensuring you're logged in properly will save you from any unnecessary hiccups down the line. After you're signed in, you're going to want to head over to your calendar. Your Microsoft Teams calendar is where all your meetings, past, present and future, are live, so it's the perfect place to start. Now let's zero in on the specific meeting for which you want to test or change your background. Simply click on your chosen meeting in your calendar. This action will bring you closer to seeing how your video will look during the actual meeting. Your next move is to hit join. But wait, clicking join doesn't immediately drop you into the meeting with everyone else. Instead, Teams offers you a moment in a kind of virtual green room where you can prep your video appearance. Make sure to take advantage of this moment. Here's the fun part. Turning on your video camera, you will see a toggle or a button to activate your camera. If it's your first time doing this, you might need to give Microsoft Teams permission to use your camera. If you've already done this in the past, your image should pop right up. Now that your camera is on and you can see your lovely face, look for the option that says Background Filters. This is where the magic happens. Microsoft Teams offers an array of background options, from professional office settings to more relaxed, abstract patterns. There's even the option to blur your background completely, retaining focus purely on you. Go ahead and click on Background Filters, and a sidebar will appear with all your options. Take a moment here to browse through them. Click on various backgrounds to see how they look with your camera on. This preview feature is extremely useful to make sure everything looks just right. Once you've found the background that captures exactly what you want to project in your meeting, it's time to make it official. Close the Background Filters sidebar with your selected background active. The final step before you fully dive into your meeting is to click Join Now. This action confirms your choices and propels you into the meeting, background and all, ready to engage with your colleagues or clients. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can ensure that your background in Microsoft Teams reflects precisely what you want it to, be it professionalism, creativity, or simply a clutter-free space. Remember, the right background can set the tone for your entire meeting, so don't underestimate its power. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope your next Teams meeting not only goes smoothly, but also looks exactly the way you want it to.